Wasn't it fun watching the clouds to see what neat shapes they made? And we had lots of fun playing together in the treehouse, even when it started to rain. We pretended the rain was made of cookies, candy, and ice cream. Yum, yum! But sometimes rainstorms can be a little bit too loud. Stella told us a story about the animals in the rainforest. And we made colorful rainbows. They really brightened our day. Oh, I just love a beautiful rainbow.
Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. There are cats in the jungle and cats in the city. Some are really big and some are itty bitty. They roar and meow and they look so pretty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty.
My cat loves to stretch and sleep. My cat loves to pound and leap. My cat loves to play and run.
Cats are cute and so much fun.
Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. There are cats in the jungle and cats in the city. Some are really big and some are itty bitty. They roar and meow and they look so pretty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty cat. Here, kitty, kitty.
Here fall the raindrops with lemon drops and gumdrops. Oh, what a rain that would be! Okay, you guys, let me take a picture.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. Everybody say candy!
Candy!
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in fun. Pop!
Goes the weasel.
All around the cobbler's bench, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Oh, we're marching now.
The painter needs a ladder and brush. The artist needs a